Do you really want to heal quickly? Do you have pains? You don't feel right? You don't have good digestion, bloating, gas? Doesn't matter what it is. Let me tell you, one of the best ways of healing your body is with the grape only diet. I cannot stress that enough. You eat basically nothing but grapes, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for as long as is needed to heal. You will use grapes for a week, two, three, four, up to 60 days. Okay. It's going to cleanse your body. And here's why: because the grapes are very astringent. Astringency is needed to help move and break down stagnant lymphatic system, which is the system that removes waste toxins from your cells through your lymph nodes to your kidneys. Therefore, once you fix your lymphatic system, the body can remove any kind of inflammation from the body. The grapes also help with the kidneys and the kidney filtration, because you need kidney filtration to remove that waste from the lymphatic system. It filters the lymph system. So you can see the grape only diet is superior, very powerful when it comes to healing human body. So I recommend that you try it. Remember, the best grapes to use are the dark grapes. You want black, purple, red. If you don't have any of those, then use the green, but always try for the dark ones. They're high flavonoid, high antioxidants, very powerful, and very astringent. The darker it is, the more astringent it is, the more tart it is. Okay, and then you want to make use of herbs. Start with the Fabulous Five. You cannot go wrong with this. This helps for the kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach, and bowels, and use the kidney tea as well, because you need extra help for the kidneys always. If you go on the grape only cleanse and use the herbs I mentioned, give it a few days, you start to see the progress, and you understand why I always push the grape only diet with the herbs.